Once upon a time in Codeland, there was a class named Mr. UserManager. He was a hero, or at least he tried to be one. Mr. UserManager was responsible for everything, adding users, processing payments, and sending notifications. But with so many tasks, he was soon overwhelmed and exhausted. Mr. UserManager found himself in chaos, trying to keep up. His code became tangled, messy, and every change made him nervous. If something broke, it was like finding a needle in haystack to figure out what went wrong. Troubled, he went to the ancient wise coder for help. Wise coder understood the problem and introduced Mr. User Manager to a new spell, the single responsibility principle. With this newfound spell, Mr. User Manager split his responsibilities. He became three focused heroes: Mr. User Agent for creating users, Mr. Payment Processor for processing payments, and Mr. Notifier for sending notifications. Each hero had just one job and did it well. Now, Mr. User Manager's life was simpler and his code was cleaner, and so the once overwhelmed Mr. User Manager lived happily ever after, keeping his code clean, focused, and easy to maintain. And that, dear coders, is the power of single responsibility principle. As the ancient one said, every class should have only one job, or should have only one reason to change, just like a knight with one quest. But what does this look like in code? Let's see. Here's the Mr. Old User Manager trying to do it all, overloaded and messy, trying to manage too much in one place, but it gets worse. What if we need to add more payment methods? Imagine trying to add PayPal, Stripe, and UPI to this code. Chaos, no? Every time we add a new payment method, we risk breaking something else. Not cool, right? So now, let's see the power of splitting responsibilities. Each class with just one job, focused, reliable, and easy to extend. But it's not just about clean code. It's about flexibility and growth. Adding a new payment method, no problem. It was as easy as updating the payment processor class. If something broke, troubleshooting was also a breeze, because we have narrowed down our search area. And that's the magic of single responsibility principle. From now on, remember to use this principle while coding. Keep your code clean and your class focused and your life easier. Like, share, and subscribe for more coding tales and tips.